How to disable auto login on OneXBet. First of all, open the OneXBet app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option Log out of account. Tap on it and you will see three options: Log out without saving login details, and Cancel. Select Log out without saving login details to disable auto login. This option ensures that your login credentials will not be saved, so the next time you open the app, you will be required to enter your ID and password manually. Make sure to remember your login details or keep them stored securely because you will need to enter them each time you want to access your OneXBet account. And that's it. Now you know how to disable auto login on OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.